Hi, my name is Ryan Comstock. I'm with eXp Realty right here in Tucson, Arizona, and we're standing in front of the historic El Presidio Inn. This property is going to be coming off the market in just a few days. It's selling for over $1.1 million, and this is your opportunity to get a sneak peek and a tour of inside a property that is one of the most historic in all of Tucson, Arizona. This property was originally built in 1886, but there was an adobe home that went all the way back to the 1870s. So we're going to give you a private tour of the inside of it. Come on in. Okay, we're standing inside the entrance to the El Presidio Inn. And what makes this home really special is it had cutting edge technology when it was originally built in the 1860s. If you look up to the ceiling, they had pipes that went up the walls. And what they would do is flood the crawl space or basement with cold water from the well, and the condensation would go up, and it was like 1886 air conditioning. So this home is built in the American territorial style, and it's very distinctive here on Main Street in the El Presidio neighborhood. We're going to give you a tour of all the rooms. Standing here in the courtyard at the El Presidio Inn. And what makes this property so special is you can see the beautiful courtyards that we have here. It's a great place for wedding venues, events, dinners, corporate functions. A lot of what you see here with the stonework was brought in specifically during the remodel in the 1880s. We have a fountain over here that was brought from Mexico. And you can just see that this property really blends the Old West, the Mexican style, and the American Old West all together in one. We're standing in front of what's called the carriage house. And this really was used for carriages and for horses back in the Old West. So you can see now it's been converted to apartments or living space. But back in the day, they used to park the wagons and the buggies and the horses in this really great property. And you can see it's been restored with tiles that were brought over from Mexico. It's just a beautiful part of this property. And it's what makes the El Presidio Inn so unique. standing here in one of the courtyards at the El Presidio Inn, and this was a place where they used to have weddings and parties, and it's what makes this property really special. They're not building them like this anymore. Hi, thank you so much for watching our tour of the historic El Presidio Inn, located here in downtown Tucson, Arizona. Please like and subscribe to our channel, and for all things real estate, please call me, 520-488-2982. Thank you so much.